Let's learn about planets of solar system. Our solar system has 9 planets around the Sun. First planet is Sun. S-U-N. Sun. Hey, I'm Sun. I'm so big, like a giant glowing ball in space that keeps us warm. Second planet is Mercury. M-E-R-C-U-R-Y. Mercury. Hi, I am Mercury. I am fastest planet in our solar system. I'm so close to the Sun. Third planet is Venus. V-E-N-U-S. Venus. Hi, I'm Venus. I am the hottest planet in our solar system, even hotter than Mercury. Fourth planet is Earth. E-A-R-T-H. Earth. I am Earth. I am a place where we all live. I have land, mountains, and lots of water. Fifth planet is Mars. M-A-R-S. Mars. I am Mars. I am a red planet. I have the highest mountains. Sixth planet is Jupiter. J-U-P-I-T-E-R. Jupiter. Hey, I am Jupiter. I am the biggest planet in our solar system. I am a gas giant. Seventh planet is Saturn. S-A-T-U-R-N. Saturn. I am Saturn. I have a beautiful rings are made of ice. I have 83 moons. Eighth planet is Uranus. U-R-A-N-U-S. Uranus. Hey, I'm Uranus. I spin like a rolling ball. I have rings made of dust. Ninth planet is Neptune. N-A-P-T-U-N-E. Neptune. Hey, I am Neptune. I am the windiest planet. I have many storms. Tenth planet is Pluto. P-L-U-T-O. Pluto. Hey, I am Pluto. I am smallest planet in our solar system. I am icy planet. Read again. Sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, Pluto.
If you enjoy the video, don't forget to like and subscribe.